Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Future of GIS. In this video today we will learn how to download High Resolution Dem. As you see on the screen, this is High Resolution Dem of 12.5 meter. If I check the metadata of this dam, you will see this is the metadata of this, and here pixel scale is 12.5 meter. So let's start with how to download such type of DEM data. First, copy the address from the description and paste it in your browser. You will go to a website of Earth Data. First you have to log in it. I'm just sign out it and sign in with your username already registered. Login. Now you will redirect to Earth Data. Now I want to download. Just go to some area for which you want to download. I'm just going to this area, cursor. I want to download the DEM of this area. So expand this portion, click on area of interest, draw a box, click here, and now our area of interest is selected. From dataset, select allows pulsar. Okay, and from filter, file type, you have to select this one. From filter you have to select high resolution terrain corrected data. Search. 6 files are selected. This one is of January 7, 2008. This is 7, 2007, 2007, 2007. Okay, we will download 2000, January 2008. And this file size is 258 MB. You will see all the details here. All details of this DEM are here. You can see here. Just click on download file. It will download with your download manager. I'm using free download manager for this. So I just click download. It will take some minutes. It was showing 24 seconds. Now my download is complete. So I'll go to folder. Okay. Now I'll open this file with global mapper. It's asking for DEM file. Yes. Now all files are loaded. You can see here it has a 6 file. One is KMZ, second one is DEM, LS map, INC map, geo, and one TIFF. Just close all and keep DEM file open. Here you will see this is the high resolution DEM files. If you check the metadata of this file, you will see it is 12.5 meter DEM. I had given the link in description. You can download from that link. If I extract this folder, it has multiple files inside it. You will see all files are here. If I list them, you will see DEM TIFF, JPG, world file, map tip, ISO XML, KMZ. All files have some details. You can go through with them and use this data as per your requirement. Thank you for watching.